Welcome back to my channel, y'all. Thanks for dropping by, you guys. I got another banger. This wig review was a little special to me, okay? Because I've already reviewed this wig like 2-3 years ago. Oh, my eyelash is like in the corner of my eye. But I've already reviewed this wig like 2-3 years ago, and like she was bomb. This was like the first time one of my videos went like viral or whatever. So this was the first time my video went viral, and this was the first time I tried a Sensationnel Cloud 9 unit, and this was the first time I like actually was feeling myself in a unit. Like I had laid it down, melted it, all that stuff. So yeah, this this is Bae, you guys. Like, this is Bae. This is the oldie but a goodie. This is a timeless classic, y'all. So today's video isn't gonna be a review. It's just gonna be a tutorial showing you guys how I styled it in this cute little updo, you know. But if you guys do want to see the review, please make sure you check out my old video. So that also make sure you check it out so that you can see my growth and how far I've come from then to now. Because baby, like, I'm just on a whole nother level now, and that growth, baby, I love it. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave that down in the description box. But let me tell y'all what this is, you guys. This is Sensationnel's Darlene. You guessed it. If you didn't know, now you know. I'm pretty sure if y'all wear wigs, y'all already know. Y'all already knew which one this was. Like, yeah. So this is Darlene. The last time I reviewed her, I had just a typical 1B, I think. This time I have a money piece hazel color. So it has the money piece little lighter colors in the front, and then the ends are the lighter color as well. Y'all, I was like not sure if I was gonna like this one. Sensationnel had gave me this unit to thank me for working with them. So they just picked the color for me. I told them my favorite wig, and they just picked the color for me. And I was like, ooh, like it took me a long time to get to this review because I just was like, I don't really like blonde colors on me, but I've grown and I love it. I love this color, y'all. Like, this is so bomb. And like, yeah, so I laid this unit down. Originally I was gonna just do like a middle part, but last time like I said, the last time I reviewed Darlene, I had the same issue with this one. The curl pattern is like when if you do a middle part, like this hair will be coming back and this hair will be coming forward, and it just looks like different. It doesn't look how you want it to be. So with this unit, you have to do like a or if you don't care, you know, but you'll have to do like a side part or like something like this. As you can see, these are kind of like doing their own thing as well. I don't think I've ever done a ponytail on my channel, so I'm trying some new stuff out for y'all, and I hope you guys like it, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. I'm not gonna do too much more talking. I just wanted to show my face on here, y'all. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the tutorial. Titty shake, titty twist. Make sure you guys stay tuned, and as always, thank you so much for watching, you guys. Bye-bye. Alright, y'all, so I'm showing y'all the wig straight out of the box. Again, this is Darlene, and I have her in the color Money Piece Hazel. Y'all know how I feel about the What Lace collection. Definitely one of my favorites. Look at all that lace, girl. Like, wow, you got a lot of parting space. It's 13 by 6, okay? So you get 2 combs in the front, a comb in the back, as well as your adjustable wig caps. Straps, wig cap straps. So, yeah, let's go ahead and throw this bad boy on, okay? Y'all know I do have locks, so I am putting 2 wig caps over it. And then I went ahead and put it on. I did have to cut the lace on the sides just a tiny bit. So I will consider this big head friendly, okay? The hairline was really pre-plucked, but I did go in and pluck some more just to let you guys know. But the hairline is very good, okay? Y'all, I've had this one before. I know what it is. You know, I know what it is. So one of my favorite YouTube wig babes, Kyra Shine, she been like just pulling her edges out because she said she ain't doing no plucking, honey. So I said, well, let me try this out and see, you know, how I like it. She said it's better, and girl, it is better, okay? Like, it saves you so much time, and then you get to like
you have control over the plucking. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna be just tugging and plugging rather than plucking now. So for today's melt, I am using the Ebon. I love the black one. This is like the only one that I use that I find works the most. And this one, when I use the black one, like I can have my wig on for like 3 days straight and it's not going anywhere. So that's why I use that one. So I'm just showing you guys the melt. You guys know what it is. I do this every video. Yeah, so I'm melting it with cool air. I'm getting it nice and laid. I did go ahead and lay the full unit, even though I did do a ponytail. I wasn't originally gonna do the ponytail, that's why. But yeah, I went ahead and melted the full lace on this one. And you guys do know I work in sections, so I do the middle part, and then I do the 2 sides. So that's what you guys see me doing here, is just combing that spray into the sides, and then go ahead and putting that cool air on again. And then I went ahead and went in with an elastic band to further melt. Keep this on for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you're good to go. So y'all see me, I'm just finger combing the hair. I didn't want to go in and brush the curls out. This type of texture, it stays like how it is. Like it's really good. I really enjoy this unit. That's why this is my second time reviewing it. But yeah, like I said, I was gonna just do like the middle part, but I forgot about how Darlene works. So you guys see me just parting the middle part here, doing the middle part here. I went ahead and went in with my hot comb. Make sure y'all use a low heat, okay, because you don't want to burn this up. I usually put it on like 5 to 10, which is the setting. I don't know. It's not the highest one. This one goes up to 25, so I keep it on 5 and 10. But yeah, that's what y'all should be doing here. And then I went ahead and cut the lace off. You guys know, if you watch my previous videos, this is how I'm cutting my lace now. Get you the eyebrow razor, put it right on the hairline where you want to make the cut, and then just pull the lace up, and it just like rips like magic. Like, girl, I tell y'all about this every time because I'm just amazed that I was like using scissors. Like, don't use the scissors, sis. Use the freaking eyebrow razor. Yes. So I do go in with my contour palette. I use this is from Black Radiance, and I use that contour shade. This is the same shade I use for my makeup. But I put it right on the hairline. I found that when you put like a darker shade instead of like a lighter or your actual skin tone, it makes it blend. It doesn't have, as the people say, a halo effect. Because like if you look at people's hairlines, like their hairlines are like freaking kind of like dark a little bit, you know. So yeah, use a darker shade, okay? That is the tea, baby. So now it's baby hairs time. I wasn't trying to do no extravagant large baby hairs. I just wanted some simple, cute and simple little swoops, okay? So I pulled out like this much hair. It doesn't even look like I pulled anything out, but it was just enough to kind of conceal the lace and to have like a little swoop-de-doop. So that's what y'all see me doing here. I did use hairspray for the baby hair. I don't use gel, I use hairspray, especially the yellow got to be. I just like the way that it holds, and then once it's done, I do like comb it out to get that softer look, because it has such a strong hold that it like keeps its shape after it's combed out. I did 3 baby hairs on each side. I did like a little tiny one after, in between like the 2 larger swoops. It just kind of helps like make it look nice. I don't know. But yeah, that's why I did that. So yeah, finished the baby hairs up, and basically you're good to go. So the unit is melted now. Now we're gonna get into my indecisive styling. So I'm showing you guys, you know, how I went in, I'm gonna show y'all like the whole process with this unit, because I just could not make my mind up. So what y'all see me doing here is I am putting a lighter color in my part space, because that needs to be lighter, y'all. Like, that needs to be lighter. So do that. And now y'all see, this was the middle part. As y'all can see, the hair was going 2 different ways. Like, it's not bad. It wasn't bad. I'm just like saying that it looked different. So I'm like, okay, well, I'm just gonna do the side part. But I'm like, I don't want to do the side part because I already did the side part 2 years ago with this unit. So I don't want to do it again. But I'm just showing y'all, you can do whatever with this unit, y'all. Like, you can do side part, middle part, up, down, whatever. There's a lot of parting space to get creative with. So Y'all see, this is the little flip over. It was real cute, okay? I could have wore it like this, but I was just screaming for an updo. So yeah, we're gonna get into it. So I parted off the little tendrils. I kind of made like a little V shape on here, you guys. The hair was getting a little bit tangled due to me customizing the hairline. That's why. But because the hair is not really tangly, it's very soft. But yeah, I'm pulling out the little tendrils, and then I went ahead and clipped the hair up just so that I can make sure to keep everything separate but equal, baby. So put them up, and then I went in, I put the elastic band over top of the things and around the hairline so that there's no lifting while I'm like pulling this up on the top of my head. So that's my reasoning for putting this elastic band back on. And then I went ahead and flipped my hair, like flip my head down so I can get all the hair to the front of my head, top of my head. And as you can see, like that worked. That worked, okay? So I was kind of very lazy with this style just because I knew I was gonna take it back down for later events. But yeah, I went ahead and put this in the ponytail, just like a very messy bun, because I wanted those ends to still be like curly, you know what I'm saying? So put it in like a halfway messy bun, and then like you're almost done. You're almost done. So I did go in and put some bobby pins kind of in that top area because the hair was kind of falling down, so I needed a bit of a lift. And then I also went in with a claw clip and kind of added some extra lift at the back, so to keep it like up, because I didn't like style this unit in a bun. It was kind of falling and loose. So you would need to go in and kind of twist the curls. Some of the curls got a little destroyed in me doing that, but you just twist it back up, and it's like that's it. Like that's good to go. And it just looks so cute and soft. And this was such an easy hairstyle that anybody could do this, girl. Like anybody. So I wanted to show you guys the back, okay? I didn't realize that my tracks were showing in this video. It wasn't showing like I thought. Like I was more worried about the nape of my neck, other than like the you see that part. But that part is because I put that claw clip in, and it's kind of making it look a little weird. If I didn't put that in, this would not be looking like that. But I was able to have my girlfriend come in and help me with the back, because we went out later that night, and I did not want to be getting clocked, okay? So make sure you have somebody to look at the back of your hair, sis, okay? But yeah, this was so cute, you guys. I really love Darlene. She is still one of my favorites. Definitely one of my all-time favorites, especially because I was able to do this style. Like, I just love it, okay? Let me know what y'all think about this one. Would you wear this style? And also, do you have Darlene, or have you had her? Let me know down in the comments. And as always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.